Here's how you hopefully you're fine. This is my new indicator and the indicator is now ready, and I developed this indicator and put you can see the indicator line is around 540 lines just, and the indicator is really good. First of all, I am using two indicators here. The first indicator will identify the trend. Okay, this indicator will identify the trend. Okay, the second indicator will give you the entries. Okay, let me show you. The second indicator will give you the entries and the RSI. This is the RSI ribbon, and RSI ribbon is the most important one. Okay, in this video I will show you two type of signal, the weak signal and the confirm signal. You can say a better signal, or you can say the weak signal. Okay, there are two types of signal. The better signal will give you the accuracy of around 80 to 90%, and you can say 90% plus, but the weak signal will give you around 70 to 80%. Okay, you can say 70% plus, but the strong signal is very good one. Okay, weak signal and the strong signal, there are two types of signal, and let's discuss the whole details of this indicator. Just a small request, please subscribe my channel and must like video. At the end of the video I will tell you how you can get these indicators. Okay, so I am using two indicator actually. The first indicator will identify the trend. Let me show you the trend, because without trend if you will trade, then of course the market is not going to give you a profit. Okay, but if you will trade according to the trend, then of course it's a better strategy, better trades and better profit. Okay, so this trade will give you the trend confirmation. Here you can see this is the trend confirmation, market going downside. Here you can see the red lines, that means the market going downside. Here you can see. Okay, but we cannot identify where is the exact signal. It's very difficult to identify. Okay, because here we are going, you can see at this point it is very difficult, very difficult to identify which is the exact point where we have need to trade, or you can say where we have need to open our position. At this point, yes, it's better one, but it's very difficult, like we cannot identify where is the exact point we have need to open our position. Okay, let's add second indicator. Second indicator will give you the lot of buy and sell signal. First we will discuss the strong signal only. Okay, because the strong signal is our strategy, but the weak signal I will give you the strategy how you can catch the weak signal as well. Okay, the strong signal is when you will see the trend is green. The second confirmation is, you can see this is the RSI is the most important one. Okay, when you will see RSI goes downside from the band line, there are three band lines here: lower band line, upper band line and the middle band line. So for the buy trend, make sure the RSI should be below from the lower band line. So this is the point where we have need to open our buy position and need to close the trade when the candle touch to the upper band line. That's it. Okay, here there is another trade, buy trade, and you can see amazing profit. Okay, and let's find out more entries. At this point you can see RSI goes downside, so this is a better entry. Another one entry, and you can see you got the profit here. This is another buy entry, and you can see results is really amazing. At this point you can see the RSI goes downside, so this is the better entry and take your profit. This is a scalping, yes, it is a scalping strategy, and you can see the results is really amazing. Okay, so when you will see this is the red ribbon, that means trend is downside. So we will identify this is the RSI is coming upside from the upper band line. So this is the sell entry, and you can see results is really amazing result. Okay, so here you can see the trend is red, and you can see RSI goes upside. So this is your entry point, and you can see a really amazing result. Okay, okay, now at this point you can see at this point you can see this is another best entry, and you can see really amazing profit. Okay, so we will identify one more entry, like here you can see the RSI goes downside from the lower band line, and one more condition, whenever you will see there are a lot of candles, okay, so which is the perfect entry point? Make sure RSI goes downside from the lower band line, and then you have need to wait the this is the candle where we have need to buy, open our buy position. How we know that this is the entry? Because make sure the one candle must close upside from the RSI. This is the RSI ribbon, and you can see this candle is closing clearly upside. Let me show you. This candle is clearly closing upside from the RSI. So this is your buy entry. You can put your stop loss at the previous low point, okay, and just wait for the this thing, and then you can see the really amazing. Here you can see you got one more entry, and at the end amazing result, okay. This is the entry, one more point, okay. You can put your stop loss at the previous low point, okay, and then at the end you can see really amazing, amazing. Here you can see RSI goes downside, so this is your buy entry, and at the end you can see result was amazing. Here you can see one more entry, and you can see amazing, amazing one, okay. Let's find out more entries here. Okay, we will wait for the RSI to come close. Here you can see this one. Amazing entry and amazing result as well. Here you can see one more entry. And at the end, really amazing. Okay. So we will find out more entries like this one. Really amazing entry. Okay, we will only open our buy position like this one. Okay, and like now we will open the sell position. At this point we do not need to open buy position when this shade is red, okay. So this is your perfect sell entry. Amazing result, okay. Amazing, amazing, and amazing. Here you can see buy entry, okay. Here you can see buy entry, okay. Here you can see the buy entry, okay. Now we will open the sell position and did not get any buy position, and this is your buy position because shade is green one. So open our buy position, and this is your open buy position, and then amazing result. At the end you are getting amazing result, okay. Like some more results like this one. RSI goes upside, and you can see sell entry, and you can see you got amazing result. So how is the strategy? Amazing. Now we will discuss the weak signal. Weak signal is very simple. When you will see there is a you can see there are a lot of buy and sell signals, but I will not in any point I did not say follow buy and sell signal. But the in if you want weak signal, then of course you need to follow buy and sell signal according to the trend. You will see the trend is green, follow buy signal. When you will see the trend is downside, or you can see a red one, so follow red signal, or you can see the sell signal, okay. This is the weak signal, and the signals is really good one, not bad at all, okay. But you are getting more entries in the weak signal. In the strong signal you are getting less entries but the perfect signal, but in the weak signal you are getting lot of entries, some fake signal as well, but the accuracy is really good one. Here you can see, okay, really amazing. Here you can see sell signal, and need to close your positions at this point, okay. And here you can see trend is sell, so follow sell signal, and at the end you are getting good results, okay. So you can see amazing signal. So if you need this indicator, these indicators are paid, not free of cost, and you will get this text file, and you have need to copy the code and just paste here, and just click here, paste my code here, and then you have need to click here and create new indicator, okay. And then no, and then here you have need to paste your my code, okay. Let me show you. Okay, RK score, just need to open file, control A, control C, copy, and go to the Pine editor, control A, first remove all the code, paste my code, and then click on add to chart. Your indicator will be ready, okay. This is a simple setting, okay. Let me show you. Just change one setting. Let me show you. Control click on add to chart, just go to the setting, and you have need to click on input, and ATR 10 and multiply by 10, and that's it. Your indicator is ready. Okay, here you can see indicator, really and really amazing result, amazing. Okay, so if you need this indicator, yes, you can contact me. Let me show you my contact details here. My contact details are, let me show you. These are my contact details. If you need the indicator, you can contact me on WhatsApp, Telegram, or Gmail. Write one at the end if you want to contact me on my Telegram. Any further query, any question, yes, you can ask me for the next video. Bye bye. Take care.